Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Why some nation has passed the UNRWA funding? So recently Israel has blamed that this United Nations funding agency, the Palestinian funding agency and its official have utilized the fund as well as its mechanism to finance the Hamas militants. So that is the reason why it has appeared in newspaper. Okay, first we look into how the news has been related with examination. Under prelims, it has been related with current events of national as well as international importance. Similarly, under mains, it has been related with GS paper 2 international relation under a subtopic called important international institution, agencies, fora, their structure as well as mandate. So this is how the news has been related with the prelims as well as mains. Okay, let's look into the further explanation part of the news. See, the United Nations officials has urged the other countries. So based on the request of Israel, the other important countries, those who are contributing to the fund of this agency, has stopped the funding because of the charge that has been made by the Israel with regards to the funding of this agency to the Hamas. So for that, United Nations officials has urged the countries to reconsider their decision to suspend the funding for UN agency for Palestinian refugee. And what UN has assured is that they will be taking strict action against the staff if they have been involved in the funding or illegal activities or in support of the Hamas militants. And this agency, this United Nations Palestinian refugees funding agency, is very important because it supports 2 million Palestinians in Gaza, and it also acts as the backbone for their development. And what is this UNRWA? What does it mean? UNRWA initially stands for United Nations Relief and Work Agency for Palestinian refugees in the Near East, and it was founded in 1949 aftermath of the Arab-Israel war, where it led to 70,000 migration of the 70,000 Palestinians because of the occupation of the Palestinian land by the Israel after the war. And this UN agency operates not only in Gaza but also in Israel occupied West Bank, Lebanon, Syria as well as Jordan, because these are all the part of the continent, the Middle East continent, where the Palestinian refugees have been migrated. So they have their presence there also, so that they could able to provide funding for their development. And also at the same time it runs, as I said, development in the form of education, health, relief, social service, microfinance, emergency assistance program for the Palestinian refugees. Currently 5.9 million refugees who were descendant of the original refugees are accessing the services provided by the agency, and it is being funded by voluntary contribution by donors of states like United States. And what Israel has accused is, Israel has alleged that 12 staff members of UNRWA have involved in the attack. That is, they have supported or siphoned the fund that has been provided for the relief work to the Hamas militant. So this is what the charge that has been made by Israel. So what is the response from the United Nations is that the UNRWA has denied all the allegation, and out of the 12 officials which has been accused by Israel, 9 were already terminated, 1 is already dead, and 2 other identities still being identified. So this is what the response that has been given by UNRWA for the charges that has been raised again by the Israel. So what will be happening now is that, see, UNRWA is crucial for the survival of those people, those who are living in Gaza, and the agency has been the main supplier of food, water, shelter to civilians, those who are present in the enclave. And then if the UNRWA is going to run out of the money, means it surely will have a huge impact on the millions of refugees who are dependent on the service from this agency. So what need to be studied further is, we should be aware of the recent cause as well as impact of the Israel-Hamas war, and then Israel geography, and then the India-Israel relationship, which has reached the 30th year in the 2022. So these are all the areas which we needed to be further aware of, and with this we have reached the end of this topic.